Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix unable to authorize. Please try again. So guys, if you are trying to log in your TikTok account on your iPhone and you are facing this kind of problem on your iPhone, on your TikTok, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem in your iPhone. So guys, the very first solution is that you will have to simply sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone, and then you will have to force restart your iPhone, and after that you will have to sign back your Apple ID again to fix this problem. So for that, open your settings and tap on your profile, scroll it below, and from here tap on sign out and simply sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone, and after this force restart your iPhone. So for that you will have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and after this keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, restart your device and again sign in your Apple ID in your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution. That is, you will have to open your settings again, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here tap on TikTok, and from here simply offload your TikTok app from here, and after this install the updated version of TikTok from your app store to fix this problem. So guys, install the updated version of TikTok in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the next solution if you are still facing this problem. That is, you will have to update your device to the latest version. So as for that, open your settings again and tap on general, tap on software update, and from here simply update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any available update, simply update it, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.